Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to prune forsythia bushes. Forsythia are so beautiful in the garden. They look like a fountain with beautiful yellow flowers that bloom so gorgeous in the late spring to summer. And they're really a delight in the garden. But they do get kind of long and kind of gangly if you just let them grow wild. So there's some certain rules that you should follow when you prune them. First of all, you never want to prune more than 1/3 of the plant at any one time. And because they are more of a bush, they will just grow out the bottom and you'll have lots of branches. So when you have lots of branches coming out of the ground, it's easiest just to cut 1/3 of them out all the way to the ground. And then on the main branches, you'll notice too, just by cutting some down 1/3 or just cutting every third branch out altogether, it will give it a lot more sun, and then everything will grow a little bit better and the main branches will get thicker. And the best time to actually prune them is whenever they're not blooming. So in the fall or the winter when they're dormant, that's the very best time. And then you'll find that they'll grow in the next year much fuller with lots more blooms, and they won't look as lanky. They'll look nice and lush and full.